Madam?
Yes, I want book sushi. 16 pieces. Yeah, and this one, dynamite shrimp.
Okay.
Another one, which you have good?
Dynamite shrimp. You mean special, madam?
Yeah, okay, give me one. I need 8.
Okay. 8 pieces dynamite shrimp and 8 pieces you mean special.
Yeah, this one is shrimp, right?
Yes. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have, madam. Yes.
What do you have also?
Okay, madam, sorry because I did may order tayo. Matlon, bilis. May order tayo. Sorry madam
Yeah, what do you have? Another thing plus sushi.
Spicy Korean noodles, Takiwan or Coco Ball.
Okay, noodles, this one, Indomie or not Indomie?
They have 3 types of noodles. They have Indomie, and then Japanese noodles, and spicy Korean noodles.
Okay. Tandoori, please?
Yes, what you want, madam?
Tandoori, noodles, please?
Aburi. I don't understand. What's this? What is that mean, madam?
Okay. Give me one and two, one, should have the noodles.
What, spicy taki or Indomie or Japanese noodles? Just 3 types.
I don't want Indomie. Give me the better one.
Okay. The Japanese noodles.
The medium.
Okay, Japanese noodles. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Madam, sorry, your sushi with the crab?
Yeah,
No problem. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's it, madam?
no problem.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Give me the right.
Okay. At pagkatapos ko nang makuha yung order ni madam, ito na nga at gagawin na namin ni partner ang order. Ang request ni madam na Yumi Special and Dynamite Shrimp na tig 8 pieces. At habang si partner naman ay gumagawa ng sushi, ng noodles, ay ako naman na ginagawa ko ang sushi ni madam na request na tig 8 pieces mga pre. Okay lang din daw sa kanya na may crab. Kaya nga pag may umorder sa amin ay tinatanong namin with crab or without crab pagka phone call order. Minsan kasi yung customer ay hindi sinasabi. At pag dumating naman sa kanila, sasabihin nila bakit daw may crab. Kahit naman wala naman silang sinabi na ayaw nilang kainin yon. Meron din kasing umorder sa amin sa application na order niya na sushi na walang request. Pero pagdating sa kanya, may crab. Kasi more on sushi namin, may mixed crab na kasama. Kaya may choices sila kung ayaw nilang kumain nun. At special shoutout muna natin tong ating mga kaibigan na si Abelardo Bagoysan Morgado from San Mateo, Isabela. Ayan, kababayan natin yan sa Isabela, San Mateo. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. At kay Boss Jobert Dorale dito sa may Dammam. Shoutout daw sa may Alsape Company, sabi ni Boss Jobert. At kay Joseph Jornacion. At kay Richard Roslinda from Jeddah. At nang matapos ko nang gawin ng family box na order ni madam, binigay ko na rin sa aming manager. Siya na rin na nag-prepare nun. At etong at ginagawa pa ulit namin ni partner yung pangalawang order namin. Buti na nga lang at natulungan kami ng aming manager. At siya na rin nagpe-prepare na to. Yun lang, salamat. See you in my next vlog.